Howdy everybody, Tom here from CSI. Today I'm at my buddy's body shop, Kai, European Motor Werks, and I am going to ask some questions to the detailer, Jose. So he's a little bit shy, he doesn't really want to be on camera, and I understand that. I just came into the shop and said, hey, can I ask you some questions? So I know that's a little nerve-wracking, but he loves our product, and we're going to see what he has to say about CSI. Okay, Jose, do you know what kind of paint this is on this car? Do you know what kind of brand of paint they use here?
PPF?
PG?
PG.
PPG, okay,
PPG.
yeah, PPG. Yeah, great paint. I'm sure it has all kinds of warranties that, Kai's customers would want. And you are color sanding to what grit?
3,000.
3,000, okay. And so what do you feel? How do you feel about, how is CSI working for you?
I like it. It's just, I was used to using the 3M.
Yep.
This is way better because it's a two-step. You cut and then you polish.
All with the same product.
Yeah, all with the same product.
What do you think about that pad? What do you think about that? Is that the only pad you use now?
Well, yeah, this is what I buff.
For cutting? Okay.
Yeah, cutting and then buff.
And
polishing.
Yeah, cool. Okay, I'm glad you guys use that. Okay, great. Yeah, let me know if you need any more of those too.
Yeah, for sure.
We'll get you hooked up. Okay.
It's a two-step. It's better than, I think it's better than 3M.
All right,
like
yeah.
3 steps.
Yeah, we do too. Yeah, no, I appreciate that, Jose. Thank you, man. Yeah, these are the kind of cars that they do, and I'll walk around the shop and you can see, what kind of cars do you have out there? What are...
We work on Aston Martins.
Aston Martin.
Lucid.
And you do mostly British cars,
Yeah, British.
Land Rovers.
Yeah,
I know, I've seen. Yeah, no, I'll walk around the shop and show everybody all these cool cars. Everything is spotless in this place. This is a beautiful, beautiful shop, and I know Kai wouldn't have you here unless you were doing a good job for him. So congratulations on that. Whatever I can do to help you. I can do to help you. If you're struggling with anything in regards to this, CSI wants to help you out. So, okay. All right, everybody. Thanks for listening. All right, let's take a look at some of the projects that Kai has going in here. It's a beautiful shop. 2 downdraft spray booths, of course, full water base, clear coats. So let me turn the camera around. All right, all super high-end cars. There's a Lucid, another Lucid, Rivian, Jag, I think. Yeah, that's a Jag, Lucid. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's a Rivian. Yeah, these, just a beautiful, beautiful shop. Super high-end. If you're watching this post and you have one of these kind of cars, I think he focuses on British cars, but I have actually sent a couple customers over here with Mercedes, and he fixed those too. So he may be willing to do that. I think this is a Porsche. It looks like a Porsche. So yes, he does do other stuff. They obviously do all of the certification. Oh, that's an Aston Martin. Wow, look, that is, holy smokes, these cars are so high tech. Yeah, it's hard to believe. Just an awesome shop. It's fun, having been brought up in the auto body industry. It's fun to see, what it has evolved into. Really, really nice. So it's just fun to come in and, interview the buffer and, see how CSI is helping him out in the shop. And if you have any questions, if you have, a nice collision shop, or you're just getting started, I know CSI can help you. One single product, basically one pad, wool on one side, foam on the other side. You don't need a bunch of products, and you can get as deliverable of a finish as you want. Obviously, we do lots of custom work, but when you're doing, cars like what Kai has in here, it has to be better than normal. And CSI delivers that every single day. So let me know if I can help. 714-906-6619.